Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to talk about something important. It is about speaking English. Many people understand English, but they cannot speak English. Why does this happen? The biggest reason is fear. They are afraid of making mistakes. They are afraid of being judged. They think their English is not good enough. But let me tell you something. Mistakes are completely normal. You cannot learn without making mistakes. Think about a baby. A baby does not speak perfectly. The baby makes many mistakes, but the baby keeps trying. That is how we learn. The same thing happens with English. You need to practice every day. You do not need perfect English. You need simple English. Start with small sentences. For example, I am tired. I am busy. I am ready. I need help. I understand. I don't understand. These sentences are very simple, but they are very useful. Use them every day. You can speak while doing your daily activities. For example, I am making breakfast. I am cleaning my room. I am going outside. I am getting ready. I am going to work. This is a great way to practice. You don't need a partner. You can practice alone. Speak slowly. Do not worry about your accent. Do not worry about grammar all the time. Focus on communication. Your goal is to express yourself, not to sound perfect. Another important thing is listening. Listen to English every day. Listen to short conversations. Listen to podcasts. Listen to simple English videos. At first, you may understand very little. That is okay. Keep listening. Your brain needs time. Slowly, you will understand more. Then, try to repeat what you hear. Listen to one sentence. Pause the video. Repeat the sentence. Do it again. This technique can improve your speaking. It can also improve your pronunciation. You should also learn useful phrases. Do not memorize difficult words. Learn everyday expressions. For example, what are you doing? Where are you going? What happened? Are you okay? Give me a minute. Wait a moment. I'll be back. Let me check. I'll call you later. These phrases are useful in real life. Use them again and again. Practice is more important than memorization. You may feel shy at first. That is completely normal. Keep practicing. One day, you will notice a difference. You will speak more naturally. You will think less. You will feel more confident. Remember one thing. You don't have to speak perfect English. You just have to keep speaking. Start with one sentence. Then speak 2 sentences. Then 3 sentences. Slowly, build your confidence. Do not compare yourself with fluent speakers. Compare yourself with your past self. If you can speak better today, you are making progress. If you understand more today, you are making progress. Every small improvement matters. So, don't be afraid of mistakes. Don't wait until your English is perfect. Start speaking today. Speak simple English. Speak every day. Listen every day. Practice every day. And most importantly, don't give up. Your English can improve. You just need patience. You just need practice. And you just need to start. Thank you for watching. Keep learning. Keep practicing. And keep speaking English. See you in the next video.